purpose of the text utility is to provide a convenient way to add text into the drawing space. This is often required for documentation of the results provided by the software. In some cases, the text is meant to be completely independent of the geometry, such as a title on a page. In other cases, the text is directly related to the actual geometry, and the text would behave similar to the geometry when you view the changes. The choice of which type of text to use, annotation, label, or vector, will come with a little trial and error and eventually will be determined by the purpose. When annotation text is created, it's completely independent of any geometry. The location of the text is purely determined by where you decide to place it with a click of your mouse. With label and vector text, they require the user to enter or pick with their mouse the real X, Y, and Z coordinates. They are both directly tied to the geometry that you have built and will rotate and move along with it accordingly. As an example, you can see that when this cube is rotated around its axis, the annotation text does not move or change shape, it stays where you place it. The label text will rotate around the point where you placed it, however the text will not warp, it'll keep its same height and shape. Vector text, on the other hand, will rotate around as the geometry is moved. It will follow the point where it was originally placed, often looking like it's warping or reversing the text. The purpose of this video was to provide a brief example of what the potential uses of the text utility are. A more detailed description of the usage is available in other parts of the documentation.